Hello everyone, my name is the Lego Kid 2003, and here I am back again with another Monsuno review. And this time I have number 19, also known as Airswitch. And of course right here, it is a Cortec Monsuno. And unlike the Quick Force one, you can't actually spin the core. So let's flip it around. Of course, shows you how to actually use a Monsuno. It's very simple. And there's the information on it. Sorry that my hands, sorry that the camera's shaking around a bit. My hands can barely even stay still. Alright, so let's quickly cut ahead so that I can show you what is inside as soon as possible. Alright, here's everything that comes in the box, and of course I'm using the core as a bit of a stand for the card. And I actually forgot to mention that this comes with only one card, which is of course the character card. And right on the feet, it has a 10, if the camera will focus and show it. There we go. And the feet are fused together, so you can't really move them around very much. And my best guess, these aren't folding instructions, just like Quick Force. Nope, I was wrong. These are indeed folding instructions. But I can figure this out on my own, so... feet. Tail. Gotta fold in the hands, otherwise it's not gonna properly fit. Drop dutters. Clockwise turn. And boom. Let's unlock the core and see how it comes out. So it comes out pretty easily. All I have to do is hold that, put that down, and fold out the hands. And Airswitch is ready for combat. So let's quickly fold him back, put him back in the core, so that I can end off this video. Say quick, I mean it. Again, click, clockwise turn, lock. And of course, with all Monsuno, it comes with a combat manual. This one is for the basic combat, since it only comes with one card. So that is all for my review of Airswitch. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, like, subscribe, and as always, stay awesome.